Ever wished you could spread out the cost of those must-have items without the hassle of traditional credit? That's where Klarna comes in, the revolutionary buy now, pay later service that lets you shop smarter and manage your money with ease. Let's dive into how you can start using Klarna for your online shopping adventures. First, you'll need to download the Klarna app, or if you're already at checkout on a participating store, look for the Klarna payment option. Once you've selected Klarna at checkout, you'll typically have a few flexible payment options. The most popular is splitting your purchase into interest-free installments, usually over a few weeks or months. For example, you might choose to pay in 4 interest-free payments. The first payment is usually due at the time of purchase, and the remaining payments are automatically scheduled every 2 weeks. Alternatively, some retailers offer longer installment plans, which can be fantastic for larger purchases. These plans might have a small interest charge, so it's always worth checking the specifics for each purchase. Managing your payments is a breeze through the Klarna app. You can track upcoming payments, view your purchase history, and even reschedule a payment if you need a little extra breathing room. Klarna's smart technology helps you stay on top of your budget, allowing you to enjoy your purchases now and pay them back at a pace that works for you, all while avoiding high interest charges on many plans. It's that simple. Klarna empowers you to shop with confidence, manage your finances effectively, and make those desired items a reality today.